we will teach you now very quickly how you can clean a really dirty pair. We have the SHOEGR Ultimate Kit. Got a soft, a medium and a hard brush, and of course you have the sneaker cleaning solution. What you need is a bowl of water. Open up the solution, give 3 nice squirts. Get your soft brush, jo upper ke liye hai, get it in the solution, and we start. We use the microfiber cloth and wipe it off. Again, same process. Let's start rubbing it. Dip our brush back into the solution and let's go. Now when I clean it up with the microfiber cloth, you will see the difference already. Take your lace, dip it in the solution and give it a nice rub. You can already see that the lace is looking so much better. This is how it was before we got to cleaning it.